Good morning, students. Last class we discussed compound interest by using the formula. Today we discuss growth and depreciation. Let the present population of a town be P. Then let there be an increase in population at R% per annum. So first formula is population after n years is equals to population after n years is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. P for present population, R for rate, increasing rate, and n for time. Second formula is population n years ago is equals to P divided by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, means present population divided by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Second, let there be an increase in population at R1% during the first year and R2% during the second year. So population after 2 years is equals to present population, means P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. Now, formula for population decrease. Let there be an decrease in population at R% per annum, then first population after n years is equals to P into, means present population into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. If population is increased, then here P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. If population is decreased, then present population into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Population n years ago is equals to present population into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. This is the, if population is decreased, then apply this formula. Next, formula for depreciation. Let the present value of a machine be rupees V. Present value of a machine be rupees V. Let the value of this machine depreciate at R% per annum. Then first formula, value of machine after n years is equals to V into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. V into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. If depreciate, decrease, value is decreased, then 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Second, the value of machine n years ago is equals to V divided by 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. This is the formula. For example, if question is given, the present population of a town is 1,76,400. It increased at the rate of 5% per annum. Find first bit, its population after 2 years, and second bit is given its population 2 years ago. Then look here how to solve. The population, present population P is equals to given 1,76,400. Rate of increase, rate percentage given, increasing rate percentage given 5% per annum. Then apply the formula. Population after 2 years is equals to present population into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Why I am writing here plus? Because here increasing percentage given. So 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. In the place of present population you put 1,76,400 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2. We can cancel 5 on ja 5, 20 ja. So 1,76,400 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20, because here power 2 years are given. Then 441 into 441, 1,94,481. This is the population after 2 years. Then second bit is given, find its population 2 years ago. So population 2 years ago is equals to, we know the formula, present population divided by 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Means present population is 1,76,400 divided by 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2. 1,76,400 into, we can write in the reciprocal form, 20 by 21 into 20 by 21. Here 400, 21 into 21, 441, 441 here cancel, 1,76,400, 400 times. So 400 into 20 into 20, 400. Here 1,60,000. Thank you.